Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. We're going to do another lamp for these babies. The baby that I'm doing this for now is my baby, my baby boy, Paul. Just had a birthday and turned 40. Oh, these kids, they grow up so fast, don't they? I had all of my grandbabies over this weekend. And then a couple of extra. Look at this. I'm going to be doing this picture soon too. And it's funny because we call it Crazy Christmas. But this was a mini camp Crazy Christmas, because in the summer I have Camp Crazy where they come over for a week. This was for a weekend. And I told them all to get in for the picture. And they all got in. And it's funny because they formed a tree without even trying. That is just adorable. I digress. But let's get back to what we're doing. All right. So this is going to be a one-page wonder. This is going to be this is Echo Park Best Summer Ever collection. If it's available, I will link it for you. This will also be on my Cricut design space. If you follow me there or whatever, you can go to the link that I attach and it will be available for you there. So this is the opposite page, see? So I thought, I could put a big thing of ice cream and a small thing. And then I thought I would try this. Actually, this way. But then I tried all the ways just to see which one I like. And I decided that looks better. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to glue this one down first. Sometimes when these papers have so much print, sometimes it's hard to decide what you want it to go with. What do you pair it with? And as far as I'm concerned, there is no wrong way to pair paper up together. But if you have one page and it's a double-sided page, most of the time, those pages go together. Cut that puppy in half and just make yourself a layout. All right, so let me tell you the story behind this picture while I'm gluing this down. My oldest son always has a summer solstice party, the first day of summer. He always has this party. And he goes all out. My God, there's so much food, tons of people. He gets the blow-ups for the kids, all that kind of stuff. The balloon house or whatever it's called. He gets all of that stuff for the kids. And everybody has so much fun. Well, he started a few years ago to getting an ice cream truck to come to the party. This came from the same collection, but it's one of those that had the strips that you could cut off. Anyway, so he had this ice cream truck. And in this ice cream truck, they had alcohol-flavored ice cream for the adults. So this little one goes up there, and he wants to try them all. I say little one, he's 6'6". Anyway, he goes up there to try the ice cream, and he wants one of all of them. My husband gets up there, and there's only one left. That's it. Only one flavor left. So he goes up to his son. He goes, "So are you going to share that?" He goes, "You didn't raise no quitter." And I just about died laughing. It was so damn funny. So I'm going to put this up on foam tape because I just like the way foam tape makes things look like it's 3D, like it's, makes the picture pop off. So I do use a lot of foam tape. So I'm going to place this about right here. "You didn't raise no quitter." Of course, is going to be my title. And I did make that on my Cricut. I'm not going to glue that down right now because I want to see maybe where, I don't think that's straight. Come on, let it go. Let it go. Oh, don't start singing. Woo, you guys are going to have to remind me not to start singing all this. Woo. A singer I am not. That doesn't keep me from singing though. And it's funny how you remember all the words to the songs that you grew up with. And, no matter how old you get, you still remember them. Anyway, so you didn't raise a quitter. And I have a sign that says, "Follow that ice cream truck." I know I'm going to put that there, so I am going to go ahead and put that up on foam tape. I don't necessarily have this laid out except how I'm going to put the paper. So most of the time when I'm doing the videos, I've already planned a lot of it. I already know, you know, kind of what the lay I'm going to use, and I have planned the, you know, which ornaments, and then I have an idea in my head where I might want it. That's not the case today, because I have a lot of health issues, and so I'm doing this kind of knowing that I may start stuttering or having issues, and if I do, then I need to pause the video. So I'm just going to kind of do what I can, do what I want, film it, because I figured if I'm doing it, I might as well be doing it with you guys instead of just by myself. So I have pulled a bunch of ice cream. This says Sweet Summer Treats, and I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, so I'm just going to put that on the side. So I have lots of different ice cream, and I also have the sticker sheets for this Best Summer Ever. So I have this out, so I'm just going to kind of decide what I want. I do know I want an ice cream truck on here. And so I have this one, and I'm thinking of putting it here. But then I was thinking about having it with ice cream behind it. I could put, see, it's so close to the color of the paper is concerning. I had this one here, but it's only a trailer, but that doesn't bother me. Okay, let me move that out of the way. I could tuck the trailer. That's just do I like it there? You know what? I do think I like it here. And then what I'm thinking of having ice cream all along here. But if I do that, I think I might have this one instead. So I think we're going to do this. Follow that ice cream truck. And then I'm going to take just lots of different ice creams. And I'm going to put them on here. I can't decide if I'm going to put used foam tape or something else. This is going to be one, a trust my gut kind of layout. Actually, nope, I don't want pink up there. I want to make sure I didn't want to use the pink up there. All right, and I have a lot of different colors, popsicles and that kind of thing. Christmas is coming up so fast, but I don't get to have Christmas on Christmas Day. I rarely do, because usually my kids, because I have 2 boys, they are with the wife's family, and they always have it like Christmas dinner. And so, I mean, Christmas lunch, if I do dinner, I'm not able to do, you know, kids are tired. They don't open any more presents. They're just sick of it. And everybody's in a hurry to get back home, you know, the routine. So to me, it's better if I don't have it on Christmas Day. So I try to pick a day when everybody's home. And so like 1 year I had it like January the 6th. I was hoping to do it the weekend after Christmas, but that's not going to happen either. So this year we're having our Christmas on January the 4th. So it takes a while, but my husband says, hey, that just means we get to go get the after Christmas specials. I'm like, hey, it's cute. You'd think that we're going to wait that long. Of course, I have been talked to about overdoing Christmas for the kids, blah, 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 cut down. So it takes too long to open. Oh, it does not. But anyway. So Grandma is going to cut down. We're going to do gift cards because, you know, honestly, it's hard to buy for the kids when they get to be older because they have so many things they want and you don't know for sure everything they do want. So I'm just going to put a couple of ice creams up here. Oh, I remember there was another one. Oh, here, this one. This cup. I'm going to put that down here instead. But I do want to put a couple of the ice creams up here. Come on, get up and play. It still looks like it might be a little crooked, is it? I get this way. My eyes don't like to see straight. But you know me, I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm just going to get it recorded. That's it. Just record it. This one I'm not seeing really super well, but you do when you're here. And I know this already has a lot of ice cream, but that's not bothering me a bit. I'm going to add more. Just add more, more, more. I'm going to steal all the ice creams and put them on here. But I do need to add something else up here. But I'm having fun just finding the ice cream cones, putting the ice cream cones up here. I do have this other little sign here. Oh, this one says, I love ice cream. I love ice cream. So we're going to put some there. What do I have over here? Oh, this says sweet. Sweet. Anyway, so I hope everybody has plans for the holidays. If you don't, I hope somebody invites you over to their home and you enjoy yourself. Oh, here's another ice cream. Like I said, I'm going to steal all these ice cream cones. Throw anything else on here? It's looking pretty good, though, don't you guys think? Oh, it's got a glare, guys. I am so sorry. There we go. You know, sometimes you just have to go outside the box, and I have some of these dots here, and this is almost the same color I'm using. We should put some dots around just because we can. That's pretty much that color. I think maybe a smaller one over here. I'm trying to make myself use some of these that I have more often. I don't have tons of them, but I do want to use the ones that I do have. But especially these big ones because, yeah. Because sometimes the big ones are hard to figure out how to use them. So I'm even not cooking as much for dinner as like I normally, because I've injured myself a couple of years ago, about 5 years ago, I injured myself. So then my oldest son started doing Thanksgiving for us. So I don't get to cook for Thanksgiving. So I cook for Christmas. And I used to do the turkey and that kind of thing. And I've decided that's just a lot too. It's just more than I can. It's more work than they're eating. So Christmas is going to be a little different. I like this, guys. I hope you guys get your scraps out, get your paper out, do some layouts. I am going to do I'm going to do I'm sorry, guys. Journaling, but I'm going to put a pocket on the back of it because that's my favorite way of doing my journaling. I love how this turned out. I will look at it. I will put it back, look at it again another time, and see if it needs anything else, if I want to change anything. And I'll have pictures at the end. And that one, the link for the Cricut. Talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.